Hi guys, hope you all are doing great. This is Architect Deepti from Transform. I hope you are liking and watching my videos consistently. Thank you so much for all your support. This space is at the entrance of the house, just close to the door. And somewhere here, I found a deep and hard root of a plant. So I was left with a small patch to do something about and beautify it. I also made a few drawings and sketches for the same. I bought some stuff from Dollarama to create this as per my visualization and the drawings I created, but it was not completely as per my drawings and brought whatever I could get from there. Firstly, I started laying newspaper at the bottom and cut a few cutouts from cardboard packaging material and laid them on the ground as per my design. After that, I fixed small fences which I got from Dollarama. Then I cut the newspapers in the shapes of the designs I created to lay them on the ground. Now I could see my design started emerging. After that, I started laying gravels and pebbles on the newspapers I cut before and arranged everything I brought from Dollarama, and my design started evolving, just like I visualized. And ta-da! It's ready! Wait, where are you going? There is still something in the box. Just wait and watch. And stay tuned till the end. I'm sure you're gonna like it. This landscape garden evolved with time. I can't even express how contented I feel after creating this garden. By this time, the plant also started growing, which I mentioned in the beginning. As I mentioned earlier, that this space evolved with time, and now I got the perfect hanging solar lamps for this space. Now you can see the space is complete, and the fully grown plant is adding charm to this space, and that's the beauty of Mother Nature. And we should not disturb or play with it. You know what? It feels really great when your imagination comes into real picture. at this galanty show created by these hanging solar lamps. They are creating drama by throwing shadows on the floor, and that looks so stunning. I am ecstatic about how it turned out. What do you think? Please let me know. I'd appreciate your perspective. Thanks for being till the end and being a part of my happiness to witness this beauty. I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and comment. Please do consider subscribing to my channel. So stay tuned for more such videos. Till then, take care, stay safe, keep creating and keep upcycling. Bye bye.